just want to crack your fucking jaw.
Okay.
Just tell you, I want to crack your fucking jaw. This is just there, I was like, you know, something just looks so good.
Something that looks so good, yeah, breaking my jaw. It look amazing for me.
Have you still got your mouth guard?
And I took out some stuff.
You fucking mad cunt. Oh, to be fair, your mask protects you.
Yeah, I've got a better one, that's all.
Ah. Fucking made that, mate. Need some fucking respect.
You've got the wrong gun. I know. Exactly much better though. And I cleaned it all.
Oh, what's it? Sorry. I just shot a rebound in the head.
Oh, you fucker!
What?
Fuck me, you just put the fucking willies up my bum.
Oh.
Stuck there like that.
Come here.
Shit me up.
Look here.
I almost shot you. That proper shit me up, that. You should just stand there. If anyone comes in here, they'll fucking shit themselves.
Yeah, come in, like, what the fuck do you mean? Come back behind me. You should sit down, everyone just sit. We'll all just be the last ones alive. Rebound!
Like Russian roulette, just fire at a wall and see what happens. Fuck off!
Open the door, shoot Ethan.
You can fuck off, mate.
Fuck was that? Fucking no! You fucking bastard, here, middle finger! Where the fuck? Where's spawn? Where's spawn here? I was like, I just came on, I was like, no. I didn't want to shoot you anyway, so it's GG, mate. See you, mate. Yeah, I didn't know who you were. See you, mate. Dead man walking! Dead man walking! I like that lad that was after bottle flags, he was right in there, shot him in the back. Oh! Okay. Dead man walking. Yeah, no, I'm not down, I just got shot. Took 3 out and then got a double, like, trade kill. He's still in that window. Same thing.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Yeah, that's the top.
Yeah, but he just spawned in, so. Sorry, buddy.
Watch out. Straight ahead.
Yeah, that's well. Is it in this window here?
Yeah.
Jamie? Oh, he's not there.
I'll go that way, bro.
There's one at that window there. There's supposed to be one there. I think he's spotted, I don't know if he's moved. shot. No, was that you? What the fuck hit my back? What the fuck? Did I get shot in the back there?
Yeah.
The fuck?
Now I'm panicking.
Done what yours did.
They just snapped straight off.
Yeah. He's the one being gimme. Yeah, shit.
Fucking veggie there, you don't know who's who.
I know, I got shot in the back randomly. I was like, the
See
fuck?
some cunt just shooting. I think I got it for sure. On the fine then.
Yeah.
Oh, shit! Shot! Surprise, motherfucker!
Huh? Can you hear me, mouth? Shot right there.
Oh, yeah, you got fat lip.
I threw a grenade and like something like shouted, hey! Something like that. And I got about 8 of them.
I'm gonna buy the CT.
Oh, I got shot right in the fucking finger while I was in the church. Mark, you want to get a push-up? Go ahead. Connor, you keep an eye out with the sniper. Can you let us know if anyone you can see?
Going down. Naval strike inbound.
Oh, yeah. Come through, come through.
Surprise, motherfucker!
Hit. Hit, now I'm walking. Is that spawn point back the caravan?
Yeah.
Oh. That lad just was fucking randomly behind us, what the fuck? Must have laid behind the pallet. Yeah. I don't know if we got each other, I'm going to call it anyway.
You know what it is, right? Because you fucking pushed.
I didn't feel like I'm going to call it.
No, you know what it is, right? I'm surprised the lad with the red mask didn't push in.
Yeah, you must have, we'll try to look for him now. I don't know if I thought I'm calling it anyway. Good job.
No. I think we'd, I'll
Trade off, mate. Trade.
Enemy UAV overhead. UAV entering the AO.
See, all the ghosts, you look at the real one.
It took too much time in it. I put my other mask on now, it's a softer one. The other one was hurting my head a bit.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Fish hole. you bastards! No! Me! Bastards! Bastards!
Sorry.
Sorry. They're all literally around that corner in the spawn. There's two inside the base. I didn't want to go in because there was some coming out of spawn, so...
Yeah, fuck that, mate. We'll shoot them as they come out.
They had their hands still up, so I didn't know what was crack.
Yeah, they have their hands up until they get to the area.
Do you want to start pushing in?
If you want,
Hey lads, do you want to just fucking engage? Yeah, for the content and that, you know.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Care package on the way.
UAV entering the AO.
You coming in, Ethan? Come on. Gotta run now, mate. Instantly shooting now. Me. Are you receiving?
Yeah, I'm receiving you.
Is there any pushing in?
What the fuck are you talking about?
Right, so because we're in the middle now, literally just as the enemy's coming there, like the entrance, we're in there, mate. If there's any coming in, let us know.
Oh no. Yeah. What do I want to use what?
Watch out, pal. Right, my grip's come off now. Any more coming in, Connor? What's the spawn looking like? Is anyone pushing in? Okay, so we cleared to move out this room that we were in? No, you didn't. They don't get you. The fuck? Yeah, copy. Accidentally got him in the face.
Oh, we're getting the sniper out one there too. Where's all Gilly? Have a check at the very back, he might be hit down.
So good.
All good. Check.
Back inside the building, Connor, if you can see any pushing in, let us know.
Yeah. Oh, Gilly's mate here.
Nah, no idea, mate. He must be in the hills somewhere. That's good sniper.
He knows about the giddy sniper. He's going back and see if you can find him.
He might be out in the behind their spawn, sort of where Matty was at the beginning. He's gonna push through, lads, always, isn't he? He's just rushing in. So I wish I had my pistol.
One pushing the left.
Yeah, received. One pushing left side coming in here.
Literally about a corner.
Gonna come that way.
Corner, so I can't see anyone.
Yeah, received, we'll get him.
Is that none, man?
Repeat that again.
I was just saying he turned back around and he must have got shot.
I know he's like.
Yeah.
Yeah, no worries.
Connor, mate, I'm at the front door where their enemy spawn is. Let me know if anyone comes through.
Right.
Daddy, chill.
Friendly.
I was looking at it and sort of head.
I've got comms and a sniper on the hill, so we know if anyone's coming this way, mate.
Yeah,
Is it still all clean at your front entrance?
no bombs. Tricky corner.
He snipers somewhere.
Okay. Offer him surrender. If we can't take him prisoner. We're going to sniper somewhere.
Right. Game over. No?
Good thing it's not Charles.
Did you get one?
Yeah, I got the one then when he started walking back.
Yeah, these are definitely worth it.
Got coming and I turned around.
Definitely worth these. If you're close to me, it's fine, but if you haven't got one, then we'll fire away. It's really good. Sorry, mate. I was very sorry it went down.